This is a Lego minifigure's hand. This is redstone from Minecraft. If you use them in different places, you can achieve completely different effects. Let's play with Lego today. I'll show you some Lego building tricks that you might not know. Let's start with the first trick. This is a Lego box. It's usually used for storing things. Actually, it has many other uses. First, take the lid off the box. Then install 2 round plates. Now you have a brand new animal trough. You can put some carrots in it. The animals on your farm will gather automatically. Another platform method is to install the lid in reverse. From the side, it looks like it's being opened. You must have a lot of Lego figures. Take off the figure's hair. Put it somewhere else. Then it has a completely different use. For example, put it on this tree. It becomes a bird's nest between 2 leaves. And then you can also put a completely disproportionate bird egg in there. What do you think of this idea? Next is a Minecraft scene. This looks like an ordinary door. But when I move this lever, a miracle appears. The door opens by itself. Let's take another look from a different angle. It's achieved with redstone in Minecraft. Of course not. All the secrets are in the gears below that push the lever. It will drive the gears at the bottom to rotate. Automatic door. The next trick is implemented on this base. There is a lever on top. Fix it only with rubber bands after installation. Then you get a very decompressive little toy. Speaking of decompression toys, this button is a must. You can press it all day when you have nothing to do. It's realized through 2 rubber bands. Of course, this is not its final form. First, decorate with yellow and black planes. Then, the most important thing is this big button. Now you know what it's for? Next is an interesting day-night converter. With it, you can turn day into night, or turn night into day. Next is the making of a minifigure. First, use a minifigure head. Install a 2-sided stud piece. Use studs for arms. Then his legs. Isn't this minifigure very mini? The next little trick uses this transparent part. Install it with 2 other parts like this. Then connect a round flat brick. Put a red part inside. You get a big glass of watermelon juice. What do you think of this little trick? Next up is this hammer. You should have played this game. That's right. You need to smash it with this hammer. See how many points you can get. How do you like this trick? Let's go back to the day-night rotation toy. Of course, this time it's not to show you the rotation, but to focus on the sun. This sun is made with Lego figure hands. Each little hand is fixed on this disc. What do you think of this idea? The last trick is how to hang clothes elegantly. If you can use it as clothes on the upper body, how can you hang it on this clothesline? Of course, it's still with the figure's hands. We use the figure's hands to clip the clothesline to the lower part of the body. This is like a clip. How do you like this idea? Support is over. See you next time.